Stress-free kitchen packing guide, must-know tips for an efficient move. Welcome to our stress-free kitchen packing guide. Moving can be overwhelming, especially when it comes to packing the kitchen. But don't worry, we're here with must-know tips for an efficient and hassle-free move. Step 1. Declutter your kitchen for fewer boxes to move. Before packing, take time to sort through your kitchen items. Keep what you need, and donate or toss the rest. Less clutter means fewer boxes to move. Pro tip: say goodbye to mismatched lids and expired items. Pro tip: this is the perfect time to say goodbye to mismatched lids, expired spices, and old appliances you never use. Step 2. Protect fragile items with bubble wrap or towels. Use bubble wrap or towels to protect your dishes, glasses, and other breakable items. Remember to cushion the bottom of the box for extra safety. Step 3. Label boxes and mark them fragile for safety. Write the contents of each box and mark it as fragile if needed. This makes unpacking so much easier and keeps your items safe during the move. Step 4. Detach parts and use the original appliance box. For items like blenders or toasters, remove detachable parts and wrap them separately. Use the appliance box if you still have it, it's the perfect fit. Step 5. Pack a kitchen essentials box for the first few days. Pack the essentials you'll need for your first few days, like plates, utensils, and a coffee maker. Trust us, this box will be your lifesaver. Follow these tips for a stress-free kitchen move. And there you have it, a stress-free way to pack your kitchen for an efficient move. With these tips, you'll be settled into your new space in no time. Visit harrythemover.com.au for more moving tips. Need more moving tips? Check out our full guide at harrythemover.com.au. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more moving hacks. Happy moving!